Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repeat an object around a circle by using the new repeat function. We will create this flower. First, get rid of the stroke and change the fill to orange. Next, select the rounded rectangle tool and create a small rectangle. With the object selected, go to Object. Here you will find the new function called Repeat. It is only available with the latest version of Illustrator. Click on it to select it and then choose Radial. You will notice that Illustrator automatically creates a radial repeat that consists of 8 instances. We can control the number of objects in the radial repeat by sliding the instances control up or down. We can do the same by adjusting the number of instances from the tab toolbar or from the Properties panel. If your Properties panel is not showing, go to Window and choose Properties. And adjust the number of instances here. By dragging the splitter widget, we can remove some of the instances, keeping the repeated artwork unchanged. By dragging the tab widget up or down, we can control the radius value. If we would like to keep our design constrained while doing this, it is better to use the radius icon from the tab toolbar or from the Properties panel. Use the tab arrow to increase the radius or the down arrow to decrease it. I'm going to create a circle and align it to the center of my radial repeat to make a flower. We can edit our radial repeat anytime. First, using the selection tool, select the radial repeat. Now we can add a stroke, for example. We can also control the stacking order of objects in the radial repeat by checking the reverse overlap option. Let's get rid of the stroke. If we would like to make any changes to our radial repeat, first make sure the radial repeat is selected and then double-click on it. This will take us to the radial repeat mode. Now we can change color or round the corners. When we are done editing our radial repeat, click on this arrow a few times to exit this mode, or press the Escape key on your keyboard. If we decide to get rid of our radial repeat, we can always select everything, go to Object, choose Expand, and ungroup everything. However, by doing this, we won't be able to go back and edit our radial repeat anymore. Let's undo the last few steps. We can also select everything, then go to Object, Repeat, and choose Release. This will bring us to the very beginning. And here is our original shape. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.